Akiaria kanitha-ini wa PCEA KAGERE mwena wa OTHAYA kaunti-ini ya NYERI, munini wa mutongoria wa bururi Rigathi Gachagua NIAHITHURITIE kuri na njatũkano cia atongoria aria mari thiini wa thirikari ya Kenya Kwanza akuma GITARU kia Mount Kenya.
We have a few challenges here and there, people competing to be seen to be ahead, others wanting to be seen like they are more closer to so and so, others wanting to be seen to be more educated, others looking more cleverer, others they think they are more rich, others they think they are very smart. But those differences are cosmetic.
Rigathi urio kumagaritio ni kiheri kia atongoria hananitie njatũkano icio na mwatuka wa nyumba urio koragwo watukite iguru no nduhutitie muthingi wa nyumba ĩyo.
We have no structural deficits. Our walls are strong. What we have are cosmetic cracks. Our walls have no structural weaknesses. That's the Mount Kenya region. The soul of the Mount Kenya people is one. It's one. And the soul is what is most important. The driving force of this region is unity and hard work. And that is why this region will remain united behind President William Ruto for 10 years.
Rigathi urio tariirie bata wa GITARU giki guikara kinyitanite na andu mari na urumwe ni oritie atongoria Mount Kenya manyitane niguo magacirithia uthii wa nambere wa GITARU giki undu umwe na kwagirithia miturire ya muingi. Riu akianirira ni ekwambiriria gutabania micemanio ya mahinda kwa mahinda ya atongoria ya niguo kugacirithia urumwe wao. Rigathi ni aranire guthingatithia mogaruruku honge-ini cia urimi wa macani, iria na kahua niguo gutigirira muingi ni wagia na baita ya urimi guku agikumithia thogothogo iria igumire ruhonge rwa kahua na gucungirira kuhaguka kwa wendia wa kahua thoko-ini ya Nairobi Coffee Exchange.
Hivi karibuni tunaleta sheria bunge. Hiyo sheria itasema kama wewe ni mila huwezi kuwa marketer. Kama wewe ni marketer huwezi kuwa mnunuzi. One thing at a time. One man, one job. Sasa hao makatelo wameshikana kulete porojo na propaganda. They are trying to create an artificial crisis that kwa sababu ya mabadiliko ati watu wamekataa kununua kahawa. Na ni uongo mtupu. Wanataka kutulazimisha tuwauzie.
Miario ya Gachagua yukite thutha wa minister wa Iganda na wonjoria Moses Kuria akoretwo akionekana guikaniria miario na Rigathi ni undu wa kwambata kwa garama ya muturire na makiria kwambatira gwa thogora wa maguta.